Hello, this is Mike Turner. I'm going to take you through another one of our sessions on getting the most out of the TurnerTrends tools. Today we're going to go through the equity screener. So let's take a look at that. Here's the screener, and again, that's pulled right off of the tools at the top. Go down to screener, and this is the screen that pops up. You can put in any number of tickers that you want to have in this field right here to look them up individually. Or you can select from a particular rating. The ratings run from strongly bullish to strongly bearish. Let's just go for now with bullish and strongly bullish. If I wanted to, I could say I only want to see those that are giving a new buy signal today. If I did that, then I'd click that. Otherwise, I would leave that off. I'm going to leave that off for now. You can add whether or not you want the sector to be bullish or neutral or bearish. You can add whether you want the industry to be bullish, neutral, or bearish. You can put the technical rating in there. Again, bullish, neutral, or bearish. All these can be individually selected. You can look at the equity types. You want stocks or ETFs. If you leave it blank, it'll be both. Let's go with stocks for now. I can look at the sector and say which sector do I want to have, or leave it blank and I'm looking at all sectors, and I think that's what I want to do now. If we were looking at ETFs, I could also look at various regions around the world that would have specific ETFs associated with those. I can even go so far as to pull up my watch list, pick one of those that I like and bring it up and be able to look at that individually. I can look at with the price, the current price of the stocks. Maybe I only want stocks that are greater than $5, so I could put $5 in there. Maybe on volume, maybe I want at least 1 million shares. I could put the top end on either of those. PIM is the price divided by the expected move, and the expected move is the volatility. It gives you a way to kind of look at how volatile you want the types of stocks. If you want to get down to that degree of granularity, I'm going to leave that blank for now. I like to do options, and I want to make sure I only see stocks that have options or not. So if I did that, I would check it. I also might want to look at those that at least have weekly options, and I could click that and see that. Maybe I'm looking for high yielding stocks. I could put in, I want to say, well, maybe I want stocks that are only paying 5% or more. Right now I'm going to leave that blank. I could look at the various industries. If I wanted to pick a particular industry to choose from, I could do all of that. I could say, how many do you want to show? I'm going to say, let's go with the top 25, go that direction. And then let me scroll down here just a little bit. And then I can tell it to go ahead and do the search for me. So all I have to do is click this button here, and it'll go out and pull up the top 25 stocks that are associated with that are giving a buy signal, that are bullish and strongly bullish, at least 1 million shares traded on a daily average daily volume. And let's scroll down and look at them. Let me pull that down a little bit, and there they are. So I could they're in rank order at this point. I could click on this and look at them in by alpha, the alphabetic. Or I could go back and say, no, just give me the top ones, top 50 entries. It has the current price. This is after hours, so the current price is 0 in my time of recording this. But it would have the price, whatever the price is at that particular time. The market cap, maybe I want to sort that by market cap. Again, all I have to do is click that, and it will give it to me in market cap order. I can look at the stop loss, the price divided by expected move, what the expected move is. Expected move, which I'm not going to get into a lot of detail right now, but that's how much the stock could move in the next 5 trading days and stay within 1 standard deviation of normal volatility. Here's the yield, the average daily volume, the overall fundamental score, the overall technical score, the total score. And so let's just say I was interested. Well, number one is ARI. I could click on it, and it will pop up and show me what it is. And again, there's a lot of detail here that you can look at with regard to ARI. Here is the chart. If it's green, the program is suggesting it's a good buying opportunity. Again, I won't go into a lot of detail about reading all of the information about it. This is really about the screener, but it gives you an idea of what we're talking about with regard to what the screener can do. Again, these are things that you can come up here and modify as you deem appropriate. I can put any of these elements in that I want and have it look up the individual stocks. If I wanted to say I want to look at IBM and Apple, I could do that, have that search, include those in the search, and it would do that. I mean, there's just a lot of things that you can do to go about selecting the stocks that you want to have. I could say, well, let me look at all of my watch lists that are my favorite technology stocks, let's say, and I want to search on that. Then I could pull that up, and it would give me a list of all my favorite technology stocks. So the point of it is, and again, you can set this to be anything that you want. When we were going back and looking at pulling up all of them that were bullish and strongly bullish, and I wanted to just look at all of the stocks. Let me get this back to blank right here, and I wanted to search on that criteria. Let me pull that back up, and then let's say that I wanted to add ARI to one of my watch lists. I could, and GLW, and some of these others you could just put a check mark by them, and then you could say add selected equities to a watch list. So you could pick a watch list and add those stocks to it just by clicking it, and then press the add watch list button. I will do another video on just the watch list, but there's lots and lots of ways to go about very quickly and very easily getting a list of stocks to look at. So I hope this has been helpful, and that you're getting a lot out of the tools. I want to thank you for your time. Let us know if you have any questions. You can send me an email at askmike@turnertrends.com, or give us a call at 844-818-9444 and talk to one of the staff if you've got any questions. Thank you very much. Have a great day.